Hello Daniel, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2017 Electra Glide. It's ultra limited. The bike is loaded. Look at these chrome forks, the nut covers, LED lights. These are the Harley Davidson's OEM LED lights. It's not just a cheap aftermarket upgrades. Clockworks windshield. The windshield is about 350 bucks. So it does have a heated grips, upgraded the chrome covers for the buttons. All the wiring is through the pipes here and the bars are about 12-inch height. Of course, it has the GPS navigation. I'm not sure if the battery is good. Actually, it opens. It should be the right key for it. So this is the upgraded exhaust as well. It's a Screaming Eagle dual exhaust. They look just awesome. Top case, the backrest, chrome pack. I love these new handles on the bags. You can open it with the one hand. So I guess I gotta change the battery inside the fob here. So cruise control, the highway foot bags, footrests. The bike is mint. It has only 3,000 kilometers on it. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.